Yo, what's going on, internet? It's your boy Anthony back again with another review for you guys, and today we got one from the Beard Factory, guys. I got beard oil from the Beard Factory. Stay tuned. I actually like this oil a lot. I love the smell of this as well. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching my channel, everyone. I appreciate it. I officially have over 150 subscribers. That's amazing. I thank each and every one of you. Really, without you guys, I wouldn't be able to keep this channel up. I thank you guys personally. Honestly, I mean that. But today we got this from the Beard Factory. I got a beard oil and a beard balm. I reached out to this company about a month ago, and they sent me this stuff maybe about 10 days ago, and it's really good. And what I like about this product, it smells different than every other one that I actually have. And the scent of this is actually called Machu Picchu blend. Machu Picchu blend. Relax. It says conditions, moisturizes, nourishes, and grooms your facial hair and hair. Now, all the oils, they use a lot of carrier oils. They have Moroccan argan. They have Abyssinian oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, rice bran oil, marucaja oil, meadow foam, which is meadow foam is a very, very good expensive oil, guys. They use fractionated coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil. They use vitamin E as a preservative. You know, it's a natural preservative, so it's gonna make the longevity of the product itself, you know, a little longer. They use kooky nut oil, which is a another oil that's very good for your skin on the pricier side. They use, wow, this oil, Tamunu oil. Guys, this is one of the best oils right here. They use black cumin oil, which actually encourages growth. It encourages healthy growth. And it actually is very good for your skin, because your hair is not going to grow that well if the skin is dry and flaky and not in good condition. Your hair is not going to grow. It's like when you plant flowers. You gotta make sure the dirt is fertilized for the flowers to grow. This is like fertilizing your beard. Baobab oil, which is another great expensive oil. Maracuja oil is very expensive. Andaroba oil, Bariti oil, Sacha Inchi oil. These are a lot, guys. I'm gonna give you the website on the description below for the link, but I really like this oil a lot, and as you can see, it's not a dark colored oil. You know, it's gonna be good for every beard type. And I believe it or not, I saw my postman before, and I see him every once in a while, and he said to me, he's like, yo, your beard looks different. I was like, different how, in a better way? And he said, yeah. So I'm guessing, I'm going to show you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put it on my face, so I use a little extra. But this oil, guys, fabulous. This is great oil, man. And it has a woodsy smell and also a minty smell to it. The smell is a very good smell, but I can't really pinpoint it. But I know that you guys would like this one because it's a neutral smell. You know, it's a smell that anyone can get a liking to, I feel. and it really doesn't have like there's no disturbing notes that come out of it. So I definitely recommend this company's oil, guys. Really. Like I said, most products I do are small batch companies, so most beard oils are the same. But what separates beard oils like from one to another is the oils they use. Like this company, for instance, they use Bobab oil, Tamunu oil, Maracuja oil. Those oils, meadow foam oil, those are very, very good oils. Even though the oil might do the same for your beard, really deep down it's not doing the same for the hair follicle. Now, like I said, I also have their beard balm, and they make a beard oil, a beard balm, and they make their own comb. And all three products are great. The only product that I do have besides this is the beard balm that I'm going to be doing on a separate video. But this oil, guys, and the balm is very soft. It's a very, very velvety, smooth balm. I really like that balm. And this company was started basically in order to produce, they actually started, the main reason to start this company initially was to give the public skincare products. And while doing that, they came out with beard oils to give the men that are trying to grow a beard. And I think that's great for the beard community because not a lot of oils have this many good carrier oils in it. And that's a really good aspect about this oil. I also love the dropper. You know, I love this dropper. I love the dark amber glass bottle in a Boston round glass bottle. The labeling is very, very nice as well. And some of the oils they use are organic. Me personally, I don't care if it's organic or not organic, as long as it's cold pressed and unrefined. I mean, it doesn't make a difference. That's just how I feel, and research even shows that. It does not make a difference whether it's organic or not organic. The only difference is the price tag. So, but this one, guys, is a very, very good oil. I'm not sure the exact price. I believe it's about $15 or $20. I'm not sure, guys. But like I said, it was sent to me as purpose to do this review, and there's really nothing I dislike about it. The only thing that I would say is I wish they had was the open date. Like, you know how a lot of companies, they have like 12 months, 9 months, 6 months. This doesn't have the open date, and also it doesn't have the expiration date or the born on date when the oil was made. So those are really the only three things that I would actually, you know, say to add or that I don't like about it. But it's not a physical trait about the oil, just the born on date, the expiration date, and the open date, like 12 months, 9 months. So those are just the three things that I would add to it. Besides that, guys, the oil is a very good oil. The Beard Factory definitely did a great job in creating it. They do have a couple scents out there for you guys, so you guys have a selection. I believe they might have an unscented version as well, so if you don't want it to interfere with your cologne, you could put that one on. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I would love to work with you guys. You know, if you want me to review your company or products, please reach out to me. My email is in the description box below. Also, subscribe to my channel. It's really a good channel. It's a new channel that I created in January of 2018. And also hit that notification bell, guys. You get updated whenever I upload content or change something on my channel. Recently I had to put an update video out because I did go on vacation for a week, so there was about 5 days that I did not post any videos, so I keep you guys in tune to what's going on. I also have stated that I will be doing a giveaway at 150 viewers, which we have over that at 500 and 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. Damn shit, guys, we go to 1 million eventually. Anyways, thank you guys, and until next time, stay bearded. Peace.